King Henry died because King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, or King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I know it sounds jejebon, but bear with me here, okay? Um, it's better to remember it with this messed up spelling because yung first one ay Deca and yung second one ay Desi, like here, okay? Deca and then Desi. Ito na din yun, diba? KHDBDCM. KHDBDCM. So anyway, may two things ka na kailangan dyan i-remember or like tandaan. Kapag ang movement mo ay right to left, i-multiply mo siya by 0.1 for every unit. Okay? And kapag ka left to right naman, i-multiply mo siya by 10 for every unit again. Okay? So, let's say, pupunta ka from milli to deci. Ang gagawin mo ay multiply mo siya not only once by 0.1 but twice, kasi kinailangan mo muna tumawid. Kinailangan muna ni milli tumawid kay centi bago siya pumunta kay deci. Kaya dalawang 0.1 yun. Okay? And if you put this into calculator, multiply mo lang yan, magiging 0.01. So, anyway, that's the basic of it, but let's give an actual example para mas magets nyo. Say, pinapa-convert sa atin 100 milliliter to centi lang muna. Centiliter. Well, from here, sabi, kapag move tayo ng base from right to left, ang i-multiply natin ay 0.1. So, ang 100, multiply natin yan by 0.1. Just use your calculator, or kung kaya nyo i-manual, ang makukuha natin ay just 10. And yun ay sagot. 10 centiliter. Okay? Let's say, naman, hinihingi sa atin, how many how many tawag dito, how many decagrams are there in 1 kilogram? Okay, so tingin muna tayo dito. Galing tayo sa kaliwa, so gagalaw tayo ng dalawa sa kanan. Yan, so multiply natin siya by 10 and 10, or 100 pag nilagay mo sa calculator. But yeah, gawin natin yan. So meron tayong 1, multiply natin siya by 10 para pumunta sa hecto, and 10 ulit para pumunta sa deca. So 1 times 10 times 10 ulit, makukuha natin 100, and just add the unit. Don't forget the unit, okay? Now, let's say pina-convert naman sa atin 2 meters to kilometers. Okay, dito tayo sa base kasi walang other na unit naman dito, diba? Base yan. Ang movement natin ay right to left. So ibig sabihin mo multiply natin siya by 0.1. So first one dito 0.1, second 0.1, third 0.1. Okay, hanggang kilometer lang tayo. So itong tatlong 0.1 na to, multiply ulit natin siya dyan, magiging 2 times 0.1 times 0.1 ulit, and then times 0.1 ulit, and the makukuha mo dyan ay 0.01 002 kilometer. Okay? Now, ano tayo? Let's get into the big stuff. So, pinapa-convert tayo ng 37 hecto liters to centiliters. Tingin muna tayo dito. So, bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na 10. Okay? So, lagay natin lang yun sa calculator ulit. 37. We have here 37 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And makukuha natin dyan ay 370,000 centiliters. And then yun yung sagot natin. So yeah, yun lang tong whole thing na to. And take a screenshot of this, itong to if you want, since para memorize nyo kung ano yung mga like shortcut na ewan for each unit thing. And yeah, that's basically yung King Harold thing. King Harold died by drinking chocolate milk. Pero meron pa pala ito yung sa sinulat ni Sir, pataas at pababa, meron pang 3. But yeah, that's for another one.